Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This video is about this beautiful wig, how I made it. Not step by step, but mostly how I lined up the tracks, and also announcing the huge sale that UNICE-HAIR is about to have this Sunday, 11/11. The sale is called 11/11 huge sale, where you'll be able to save 46%. You'll be able to get 46% off your order. I'll make sure I link everything in the description box. They also have a deal where you get 3 bundles and you get the closure free. I am wearing 4 bundles and a closure. The closure is 20-inch, bundles are 20, 22, 24 inches. The closure is 20 inches, 4x4 closure, and the bundles are 20, 22, 24, and 26. So I'm wearing 4 bundles. I use a dumb cap to make this wig. In this video I'll show you how I made this wig. And what else? I'm 5'7". I'll back up a little so you can see how long that hair is. See how long it is on me? See? See how it flows? This is their Brazilian straight hair. I have an elastic band inside the wig. I bleached the knots. I'll go over that in this video, but that's basically it. And I also want to say a big thank you. We did reach 1 million subscribers. We did have the giveaway. Thank you to everyone, because I don't show up here that often. You don't really see this. My channel is mostly about what these can do, not really how this look like. So that's why you don't see me. But today I'm gonna show you how I made this beautiful wig, and also tell you that this Sunday, the 11th, there's gonna be a huge sale on UNICE-HAIR website. Double check my description box to get all the details on this sale. You buy 3 bundles, you get a closure free. You save some money when you order. In my description box I'll make sure I include everything there so you can just read it. And as soon as Sunday hits, which is the 11/11, go ahead and order your hair. I'm gonna put the wig back on again and show you the length of it. I really like this hair. Easy, well, it was easy to flat iron. I haven't curled it or bleached it yet. This will be in another video. I'll do that within a few weeks after I wear it for a while, so you stay tuned for that. Let me go ahead and pop it on. Okay, that's how it looks. What? Oh, I thought I messed up my makeup. I didn't. That's the side part right here. I really like my middle part. So this is what you get. 20, 20, 22, 24, 26 inches. Beautiful hair. Let me show you the length again. I am 5'7". Very long, you see? And I like how it flows. Very pretty. Thank you very much for watching this video, and again, thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you very much. I really appreciate when you comment, subscribe, like, share those videos. That's how we were able to hit 1 million subscribers. I really appreciate that. Stay tuned. In this video I'll show you how I made the wig. My makeup is coming off. It's getting late. Oh yeah, it's getting late. Thank you very much, and stay tuned. Within a few weeks I'll be showing you what else I can do with this hair. And thank you very much to UNICE-HAIR for sending me this. I really like this hair. It's beautiful. What else I have to say? Yeah, be on the lookout for that huge sale. I'm telling you, they have that sale just once a year. Don't miss out. Get your hair. You save a lot of money. 3 bundles, you get the closure free. And in this video I'll show you how to line up your your tracks to make the process easy. I'm not really gonna go through the stitching part, but the lining, I'll show you a method where you can just prepare everything and just sew it without worrying about a hair being running out of hair. So this method will help you a lot. This look good. I like it. Let me get closer. Yeah, I like this one. It flows. Let me shake it some more. I like it. Here's the length again. Very pretty. Thank you very much for supporting me. Stay tuned to watch how the wig was made. It'll be very quick. I appreciate it. Thank you very much for supporting me again. And also check my community section here on this channel. I post a lot. I also make wigs for sale. When I have any wig ready to be shipped or ready to sell, I post it in my community. I haven't made no video about that yet, but thank you very much. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I just find out that the sale actually starts tonight. You don't have to wait till Sunday. The sale ends Sunday late night. So the sale lasts 2 days. It starts tonight. So check the description box. Here I'm bleaching the knots. I mix the powder with the developer. I make sure I have a very thick consistency. See right here I'm checking and make sure that it's not running. And this is how dark the roots are. We're just bleaching them so we can lift the color black at the root so it can look more natural. This is me spreading the mixture on the closure, and I keep it in there for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, I'll just wash it out. And this is the dome cap that I'm using to make the wig. This one fits perfectly, and this is the size of the canvas head. I got this head from Amazon. I'll see if I can find it and link it. It's very important to have your closure laying very flat. Do not start the wig until you make sure that the closure is very flat, and that's what I'm doing here. I use 2 T-pin to secure it very well. Then I'll just start sewing the closure down. I mean, I use 4 T-pins, not 2 but 4, because the closure is a 4x4, is like a square. You need 4 T-pins to lay it flat, and then you start sewing down. I like I mentioned, I'm not really gonna go through the stitching. I'm mostly gonna go through the how I lay the closure, the tracks, not really the stitching. Once I'm done sewing down the closure, I'll just make 2 knots and cut it, and this is how it looks, very flat. This is what I'm talking about. Use a gel pen, a Sharpie gel, to just mark where you'll be laying the tracks. This is I just showed you the first one, and if you mark it like this, there's no way one side of your wig will be higher than the other side. And the number is 15. If you're using 4 bundles, do 15, and I'll show you that the first 2 bundles I'll be doubling them, even though I did 15 lines. This will help you sew your wig very fast and easy. Just mark everything first, then you sew. I did exactly 15. Once I made all the lines, I'm ready to sew. The very first track, I didn't double this one. This is the one that'll cover all the track that are inside. If the winds ever blow, people won't really see the tracks. So this one is very helpful. Once I'm done with it, I'll just use the rest of the 26-inch. I'll just double all of them, and I'll show you where it stops. I'm using a very sharp straight needle, but the bundles were not, the tracks on the bundles aren't hard, so it was easy to just have the needle go through those tracks. Right here I am installing the next bundle, which is the next longest bundle, which is the 24-inch. I double everything and just sew it. I just go straight to the line right here. That's where it ends. I'll just start using the 22-inch now. The 22-inch, I still double it right here, but once I'm done with that line, I just use single tracks. I stopped doubling it. This is the last bundle, which is the 20-inch, and I use all of it. I'll show you what's left and where I added it. Okay, once I'm done sewing all the tracks very close, the last track very close to the closure, this is what I have left, and all I did is just lift one track and add it right underneath it because I didn't want to get rid of that extra track. I just sew it there. So I basically use all the 4 bundles, and the wig is very full. Just cutting this layer right here, wash the wig, blow dry it, and then flat iron it. This is how pretty the inside look, and this is how pretty the front look, but it was too full. I'll just use my tweezer and twist a little bit, and that's it. The wig is done. After I washed and blow dried, I decided where exactly I want to part it. So I did a middle part, used some mousse to have it very flat, and then I used the same tweezer to make the part a little wider because it was too narrow. Then to keep the closure very flat on my head when I wear the wig, I added an elastic bit inside. Right here I'm just cutting the extra lace up front so I can just put the wig on. Okay, right here, this is the wig washed and blow dried. I did flat iron the top just so it can be flat, but I didn't flat iron the entire wig, so it's very big here. I also noticed that this cap didn't work for me, so I added my foundation color on the closure instead, and it looks way better here. And this wig is totally flat iron here. The entire wig is flat iron here at 350 degrees, very hot, so it looks great. It doesn't look as big anymore. Thank you very much for watching this video. Again, the sale starts tonight and it ends 11th late night. Go ahead and check the description box. You buy 3 bundles, you get a closure free, and you also save a lot of money. Go ahead and read the description box so you can understand the sale more. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you on my next one.